Hello there. So I'm in Leeds. In probably the coolest factory in the...
Why would you do that? It lives in China.
Welcome to Restrap headquarters.
Weirdo.
So Restrap have been sponsoring my bikepacking setup this year, and I've been super impressed with them. Not just with the products, but with the communication, the way they are as a company. And they invited me down to Leeds in the UK to visit their factory, see where the products are made, to meet the guys that started this incredible company. And I thought it was an offer that I couldn't refuse, so here I am. Now in the West, I think we are a little bit ignorant to actually how products are made, because we're just used to everything being made in the Far East. We never see actually what happens, we just get the finished article. So today I thought it was a really cool idea to see a bikepacking bag from scratch to the finished article sent out to the customer and see that process along the way. See the hard work that goes in, the skill that goes into it, and see the quality of the materials that they use. So I'm going to go meet John now at the Restrap factory. I'm going to get a little bit of a tour and we'll show you that process. Hello John.
Hello mate, you alright?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, welcome to Restrap, come on in.
Thank you.
Do you expect me to talk?
First things first, this is the laser room. So this is Carl and our laser room. Carl.
Hello Carl.
Thanks for us. Carl's actually done some pretty crazy gravel races over the last couple of years. He's come 4th in GB Juro, 4th in Highland Trail. He's done Dale's Divide 3 times now, and loads of racing collective bits and bobs as well. He's a bit of a lunatic. The kind of, I suppose, more precise cutting that isn't fabrics that we do by the lasers. So you can see we've got some, well, we had some fast straps that Carl's just taken out. And then in here we've got the foam for the race bar bags. So that's all cut by laser. Similar with all the plastics and the high flow we use as well.
So the plan is today is that we're going to take a product. What product are we going to take?
Yeah, so we're going to grab a musette because that's a good way to sort of show things in quite a condensed way, because we batch make everything. So to run one singular product through, we'd have to stop the entire production line. But what we'll do today is we'll run a musette through, and that shows quite a lot of the processes that we actually run through for most of our products, because everything's made up in essentially the same way. So with the musette, that's a really condensed way that we can sort of show that. So we'll run through, so we'll start off with the foam room.
Let's go.
So these are your outer fabrics.
Yeah.
So that's your colour choices. So this is textured nylon, waterproof. And then these are your lining choices, also waterproof.
We're going to go with this beautiful olive.
Okay.
And then the red.
The red?
Red, yeah.
Okay, what colour strap would you like? Would you like black or red?
Oh, we'll go with black.
Black.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. Not going too crazy.
Not going wild.
Yeah. So this is all computerized. You put in the sizes, and then it just automatically cuts it.
Basically, yeah. So it's all run off the terminal there.
Yeah.
And then this is all cut through CNC.
Yeah.
It's essentially a 2D surface, so it's just tracing the shapes out with cutting blades.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dan.
Thank you. Cheers. So now the next step is,
We're going to go see Holly,
yeah,
who is one of our trainers in the sewing room, and she's going to make this for you.
right,
Okay? And then when we've done that, it'll go through to packing.
right,
All right.
perfect.
Let's go find Holly. There, yeah. Are you available for doing a set for me? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll set that. They're going to film you. Okay.
Are you okay? Yeah. No pressure, no pressure. Okay.
Tell me modelling was part of this role.
It's an extra bonus, love. That's what it is. Production line. It's not you do one thing over and over again a million times a day. It would drive you crackers. So we work in small teams of 2 or 3. Every team knows about 80% of the products from start to finish. They're super skilled, but they really care. They want it to be good. You know, it's their reputation. So that is why we do the name cards as well. So
Yeah.
you know, everybody puts a name on.
Where did you learn to sew?
So I did fashion at university. And I've worked in like vintage rework and stuff before as well. So this has all been very new. Doing bags, but really interesting.
How long have you been here, Janet? Since 1972?
Let it not fall. About 6 years.
6 years, yeah.
Still enjoying it. Still here. Off to the binder.
Oh my God, that was too quick.
Yes, that's what I did now. Thank you very much, love.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. This is for me. This is
for you.
come all the way from not so sunny Norway to sunny Leeds, and I've picked up this beautiful.
Custom made.
Oh,
There you go.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That is
It's
beautiful.
nice to make things for people. That's what we do.
And it's such high quality, just the material of it.
Yeah. Don't forget to register for your lifetime warranty.
I'm Nathan Hughes. I'm the guy behind Restrap. I'm from Bingley, which is Bradford, West Yorkshire, and this is where it's all begun, really.
How's the journey been?
Tiring, mainly. So no, anyone who's in business will know it's probably the most difficult thing you'll do is try to set up a business, and it takes a lot of years before you actually see any reward from it. So I'd say when we initially started, it was probably 6-7 years before we really took on our first full-time member of staff, and that was really when we started with like the bike packing gear and a lot of the products you'll see now. And then we've been fortunate enough to be caught up in the boom of bike packing and gravel riding, and then the business has kind of grown and exploded from there. I'll come now if you want. So
You've got a plane ticket, haven't you?
yeah, I have actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who designed this?
Put
Yeah,
the camera on me.
that's really, really cool.
Cheers, yeah. No, it's all a team effort though. We all
Yeah.
get feedback across the board.
Wow.
And then that just pops open. Chuck that away.
Back in and then around the hips, and away you go.
Yeah, we've done it so you can get a bottle into the sides as well if you want to.
So that'll tighten around the bottle.
Yeah.
If you've got a bottle.
So a big thank you to John, Helen, Nathan and the whole team at Restrap. It was a lot of fun visiting you guys. If you're interested in winning this beautiful Musette custom made bag with its lifetime warranty, then just comment in the box below. 15% discount off the whole range of Restrap. I've been given a code, it lasts until September the 15th, 2023. And lastly, I really hope that Restrap will come out to Norway at some point and we can make a really cool video together. So guys, you know you're welcome. Don't forget to call me. But until then, I hope you enjoyed the video. There's one last question to ask and then we're done. I'll see you in the next one. Would you ever just take a step back and just go, oh my God,
Yeah.
all the products you sell around the world now?
There are times when things are very stressful in the office because of various reasons. There's always something going on. And when you're having one of those days where you're really like, I just want to go home, I will sometimes go get Nathan, or he'll come get me, and I'll just make him stand by the door and go, yeah, but look at what you did. Because it is amazing. Look at what you did.
Give me that soul.